Climate change, also known as global warming, is slowly affecting our Earth. Climate change is when our Earth's average temperature is rising. Some people around the world are trying to reverse the effects that are happening to our planet. We believe that if the candidates of 2020 can support our Earth, that it is a possibility that we can save our planet.
Have you ever wondered why the tide levels are rising? Well, here's a quick explanation.
On land slips into the sea, it can do it by melting and running off, or these huge icebergs can fall off land into the ocean. Sea levels go up, and what that really means, of course, is that
Humans should be finding ways to reduce the harm that we are doing to the Earth. There should be more leaders and/or politicians that are focusing on climate change. If people in higher positions are spreading the news, then we may be able to do something to stop global warming.
One way that they tried to help us was in 2002 when leaders all around the world gathered at the Global Climate Change Conference. They discussed the changes that are happening to our Earth, but in the end, no one could agree with each other. Another was the Paris Climate Accord, which sadly our president removed us from in 2015.
The United States will cease all implementation of the non-binding Paris Accord and the draconian financial and economic burdens the agreement imposes on our country.
People are one of the main causes of global warming. We are burning a lot of fossil fuels and letting out harmful gases into the environment. If we try hard enough, we should be able to reduce these things. We also need to understand that if we don't reduce the amount of gas we are using, then there will be a lot of consequences to come in the future.
How big of a role would you say that the presidential candidates in 2020 elections play in keeping our Earth healthy?
Yeah, I think a president can have a significant impact, especially when it comes to policy, whether those are funded or unfunded mandates. So a mandate is something that comes from another level of government. That's in 2009 through President Obama's administration. We saw monies trickle through to the local level in that way. That isn't happening as yet of today. First level too, a president can impact the amount of resources in different federal or state agencies. I know specifically when it comes to the IEPA or even the EPA.
And now, a popular climate change activist, Greta Thunberg, was talking about people who can help Earth aren't doing anything and humans are destroying our planet.
People are suffering. People are dying. Entire ecosystems are collapsing. We are in the beginning of a mass extinction, and all you can talk about is money and fairy tales of eternal economic growth. How dare you?
There should be more options for renewable fuels and to reduce human carbon footprint. If everyone reduces or contributes to helping reduce their own carbon footprint, then there could be a major decrease in pollution, littering, and may slow down the process of global warming, while scientists are finding more ways to help find a solution to our problem.
Some people don't believe in global warming and think that climate change isn't actually happening. They say that technology back then couldn't calculate the patterns of weather as well as we can today. But these people are the roadblock between our Earth and what it could possibly be.
They start off with climate change. Now the new one is extreme weather, They had global warming. That didn't work. Got too cold. They then had, it's true, they then had climate change. That wasn't going great. But now they came up with the beauty, extreme weather. Do you ever notice?
Climate change is rapidly affecting our Earth. However, there are some things that we can do to slow this down. Some politicians and leaders of the government should be able to help. There are only ones who can truly influence the people of our country.
This is a big issue that needs to be resolved because almost everyone is contributing to the problem, and it is everyone who is going to suffer from its consequences.